In my life, wherever I go, for some reason that I don't know why, I often come across and witness pitiful cats. I feel uneasy because of these scenes. I can't stand seeing them, and I cannot simply ignore them as it deeply disturbs my heart. Recently, on my way back from buying food for some stray cats that I care for, I encountered this unfortunate cat on the street. Its ears looked injured and were bleeding, its fur was dull, and its belly appeared very swollen as if it hadn't eaten in a long time. I couldn't think straight when I saw its condition, feeling bewildered, and immediately took it to the vet for treatment. Initially, I thought the treatment would be similar to a previously wounded cat that I had brought in. However, according to the veterinarian, this cat with the injured ear was different from the one with the neck wound before. The ear wound required surgery to cut the ear for it to heal. But I asked for it to be treated similarly to the previous cat, hoping the wound would heal without losing its ear. Yet, after a few days of care and administering the medicine provided by the vet, there was no improvement in the wound. The vet also warned that, if there was no progress in the healing of the wound, there was no other choice but to opt for surgery. This is an update on her condition during her stay at the garden house for observation. Initially, I placed her in a cage, but because she seemed to dislike being confined, I decided to let her play outside where she enjoys it.